I read you a poem today called Arise and Fall. This is from my book, Dancing with Words. Arise and fall. The fall leaves remind me of the beauty of life, the cycles of life. Starts as a bird, then booms and blooms to maturity. The weathering process begins. At some point, the leaves change color from luscious green to browns to yellows to blacks and all the gorgeous shades in between, wilting and withering to nothing, wrinkled, dry, and lifeless, with all their glory in the past. The leaves fall off, the stems dry up, only to bloom again in the next season. Life itself is within the dying process. Life itself is within the dying process. A rebirth, a phoenix rising, beauty from the ashes, formless to form, new growth from what is deemed lifeless. The beauty of life is hidden in its cycles. Arise and fall as winter turns to spring, as summer turns to fall. Seasons come and go with no end in sight. That is true existence, the pure essence of life. Arise and fall. This is Keroy. Talk to you soon.